my name is Aiden Teaches Math, and today we're going to look at another math video. And today it's not just a normal math video, but math puns. So it's going to be funny. It may not be funny for you who doesn't like math. So if you don't like math, leave a like, subscribe, and leave my channel. Hello, I'm Aiden Teaches Math, and I love my job, and I always have new students asking for me to teach them math. But I teach them math in a very fun way because their focusedness are very, very low. So for their focusing, I use math puns to wake them up. For example, we do something like infinity plus infinity is infinity. This is correct, but we sometimes write it like this. So 8 plus 8 is 16 if you turn it over this way. So, our first math pun was that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So, infinity plus infinity equals this. I'm not sure what this is, but it sort of looks like some kind of character. So, it's like this. Just in South Korean language, the letter called Hangul. So, infinity plus infinity is But in real life, infinity plus infinity equals infinity. IRL. Pun. Next words, we're going to look at a picture about a boy getting asked what is 3 times 4. So now I'm going to give you a picture about that. So the picture is going to, the teacher is asking 3 times 4 to a student, and he doesn't know, so he is, oh my god, and his friend helps him, telling it is 12, writing this on a paper. And now let's take a look at the photo. Yes, I brought the photo, and the teacher asked 3 times 4 to this student on the board, and he doesn't know, so his friend tells him it's 12, but with an exclamatory mark, which means factorial in math. So it becomes 12 factorial, which becomes a very big number that is really hard to say, but if I read it, it is 479,001,600. So 12 all the way to 1 is 479,001,600, and 12 times 11 times 10 all the way to 5 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 4 is 479,001,600, which means that 39,916,800 times 3 times 4 is 479,001,600, which gives us the 3 times 4, the answer to 39,960,800 under 479,001,600. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So it is 12 times 11 times all the way to 5 times 2 times 1. Classic. Now let's get back, and next math pun is going to be about functions. This. Actually, there's 2 memes for this, and now I'm going to bring out one picture and then a picture. This is the first picture of cows. First cow, y is constant, which means really constant. So which means y equals integer for every case. And then it becomes y equals x squared, which should look like this, and he does. Next is y equals x cubed, which should look like this, which he does. Next is y equals cosine x, which should look like this, which he does. That's why this cow is called, this meme is called the function cow. But their horns look like functions, you know. Next photo. So I brought the photo here, and this photo is going to be about Twitter changing its name to X, which can be seen as X1, X2, X3. So now let's take a look at it. So 1 notification on X, 2 notification on x squared, 3 notification on x cubed. Funny, right? Next pun. Actually, there is nothing like a photo, but now I'm going to explain it. Grew becomes grown. This is past tense and this is past participle. Then flew becomes what? This is the question of the English test in America. Because we don't know what this is, let's say this is X. Since past under PP is the same, grew under grown equals flew under X. But since a G and R is the same inside both equation, this becomes a U under own over which is FL times FL times U, FL times own. So X equals flown, and this guy is a genius. He got it 100 on his test. Creative. Ask me a question about math puns, math, or everything. ATMteachersMath@gmail.com. And if you're from South Korea, neighbor also okay. Thank you for listening. This was ATM Math. Meet you next time with a math video, or maybe a song. Probably a math video. Thank you and goodbye. ATM Teachers Math out.